In this video, we will go over the reports related to payable management by going to Accounting 2, Payable module. The first report is AP Transaction Details. In AP Transaction Details, you can view the increase and decrease history of payables during the search date range, and the current balance as well, for each vendor and for each transaction number. Use the search template and filter data by tracking number, customer vendor codes, department, and project. Also, in Search Standard field, you can select various search types to view data, such as by customer vendor and by tracking number. If you search by customer vendor option, the increase and decrease history and the balance will be sorted based on customer vendor name in alphabetical order. If you search by customer vendor / tracking number option, the history and the balance will be listed first in order of customer vendor name, and then again in order of tracking numbers. So select the desired option and search data. Next, we will go over registered payable status and payable payment status. In Registered Payable Status menu, you can view the payables that were generated during the search time period. And in Payable Payment Status report, based on the selected time period, you can view the payments of any payable that is linked with a tracking number that were made during the search time period. Next, in AP Management Status, you can first select a particular base date and view the list of payables that you have on hand on the selected date. And please note that not all payables, but only the payables that you have on hand on the selected date will be displayed in this report. Lastly, we will discuss AP Aging Details menu. So this report is similar to the AR/AP Aging Details report of Accounting 1 Reports module. So in this report, if you search by payable type, you will view a similar report. However, in Accounting 2 AP Aging Details, only the payables entered with a tracking number will be searched and displayed, which means that the payables entered without any tracking number will not appear in AP Aging Details of Accounting 2 module. And on the other way, the payables generated as increase-only payable type by clicking New button in Accounting 2 Payable List menu will not appear in the Accounting 1 report, since such payables are not linked with the Accounting 1 module. So in Accounting 2 AP Aging Details, based on a particular base date, you can view the balance of each payable transaction for each vendor. Also, based on the base date, you can view the increase history of the past 5 months on the right side, and the increases that are earlier than the past 5 months will be summed and displayed in Others column. And in Aging column, the number of months that each payable has not been paid for will be displayed. Also, in Status by Due Date section on the right side, you can view the amounts that are expected to be received based on the due date of each payable. And this section pulls due date from the due date that you entered when entering the increase of each payable. And you can check when each payable was generated and also the corresponding due date. And if you need, you can check the phone number of each vendor and call them to discuss about the displayed transaction amounts.